stoves are a very handy thing to have on a sailboat because as the boat rolls back and forth, the stove can also roll, keeping it relatively level on the stovetop, so when you're trying to cook, you're not spilling your sauce all over the floor. However, those stoves are quite expensive, so rather than forking out big dollars for the stove, I got myself a second-hand RV stove and just made up some brackets to make my own. Okay, so I've marked out my center for where the bracket goes. Something like that. So now I've just got to get that width so I can line it up perfectly off the center line. Okay, 3/8 right there. That's 3/4 and 0. Okay. And just mark my holes. You use a bigger drill bit just to clean off the burrs. Next step, measure my gap so I can cut the countertop to suit. So I've decided where I want my stove to go. I've got my measurement from the brackets. So now I got to measure out before I can cut it out. So we need. So I don't have a square to make a nice square line, but I do have some dividers. Common tool for navigators. So what we got to do first, just trace that line out that way. So that is my line. Scratch an arc. Make sure I keep on that. From here, this edge of my radius, and we scribe another arc off of those intersectors. There's my line. And from there to there, we now have a square line to my countertop. Got the hole cut. Brackets are mounted. I just gotta bend them down. Nice sharp bend. This part of the job would be easier with the second person, but I don't have that luxury. So I've just got everything I need within easy reach. Luckily these RV stoves are pretty light. That in there. So I'm just going to slide the bolts through. To loosely hold it, and then I put the nuts on the back side. Do it quick before anything slips. It's just snug.